Stop. Stop scrolling. Stop rushing. Stop pretending you're okay when your heart is tired. Because this moment, right now, is divine timing. Heaven has pulled you here. Angels whispered your name. And Jesus said, "My child, listen, I am with you." Take a deep breath. Hold it. Re-let it slowly. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel your chest loosen. Feel your soul exhale. I see you. I know your heart. Every corner, every wound, every fear, even the parts you hide behind a smile, even the pain you never speak of, even the thoughts you think at 2 a.m. I see them. I've watched you carry burdens too heavy for one soul. I've seen you cry quietly so no one would hear. I've seen you break on the inside while acting strong on the outside. I've seen you hold everything together for everyone, while falling apart yourself. But today, I am speaking, not to the world, not to others, not to someone stronger, not to someone holier, but to you. Yes, you. You who is tired. You who is overwhelmed. You who feels forgotten. You who wonders if I still hear you. You who whispers prayers into the dark hoping someone is listening. I say to you now, you are not alone. You are not forgotten. You are not invisible. You are not abandoned. You have never walked a single step without me. Take another deep breath, slowly, gently, softly. Feel my love wrapping around you like a warm blanket. Feel my peace filling the broken spaces inside you. Feel my presence calming every storm in your mind. Right now, I am healing you. I am lifting you. I am restoring you. I am strengthening you. I am reminding you who you belong to. My child, you are mine, and I am not letting you go. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Your heart has been broken. I see the cracks. I see the scars. I see the nights you cried alone. I see the moments you hid your face in the dark so no one would hear you. I see the pain you swallowed so you could look strong. I see the way your smile trembled when you said you were okay, but you weren't. And I saw it all. Your suffering is not wasted. Not a single tear you shed was unseen. Not a single breath you struggled to take was ignored. Not a single prayer whispered through shaking lips went unheard. I was there in every moment, holding you even when you didn't feel me, protecting you even when you didn't see me, loving you even when you didn't believe anyone could. I am here now, to heal you gently, slowly, carefully. I'm not rushing you. I'm not forcing you. I'm restoring you, piece by piece, breath by breath, day by day. Let go of the anger that's been burning your heart. Let go of the hurt that's been living inside you. Let go of the regret that keeps replaying in your mind. You don't need to carry it anymore. I am freeing you now. You are free to feel again, free to hope again, free to trust again, free to dream again, free to live again. Take a deep breath. Breathe in my peace. Breathe out your pain. Breathe in my comfort. Breathe out your fear. Breathe in my love. Breathe out every burden holding you down. I am repairing your soul right now. I am restoring your joy. I am strengthening your heart. I am filling every empty space with my love. Even when you feel broken, I am holding you together. Even when you feel lost, I am guiding your steps. Even when you feel numb, I am breathing life into you. Even when you feel forgotten, I am speaking your name. I am your healer. I am your comfort. I am your protector. I am your friend. I am your savior, and I am not leaving you. Feel me now, my hand on your shoulder, my presence around your heart, my peace calming your mind, my love lifting your spirit. You are not alone. You have never been alone. You are loved more than you can imagine. You are chosen for more than you understand. You are cherished beyond measure, and you are mine, now and forever. Nothing can change that. Nothing can take you from me. You belong to me, and I will never let you go. Fear has whispered lies into your ear. You're not enough. You will fail. You are weak. But I say to you, my child, listen to me now. You are enough. You are strong. You are brave. You were created with purpose, designed with intention, crafted with heaven's hands, and nothing, absolutely nothing, can shake what I have placed inside you. Step forward with courage. Not because you feel brave, but because I am your strength. I am your shield. I am your armor. I am your protector. Fear cannot hold you when my presence surrounds you. Fear cannot silence you when my truth fills your heart. Fear cannot define you when I have already chosen you and called you mine. Take a deep breath. Inhale my strength. Exhale your doubts. Let every breath remind you that you are carried, covered, and cherished. You are free. Free from the chains that once held you down. Free from the shadows that tried to scare you. Free because I have broken every wall, every weight, every lie that ever told you, you can't. Now walk boldly, walk confidently, walk faithfully, not because the road is easy, but because I walk it with you. You are not defined by your past. You are not trapped by your mistakes. You are not limited by this world's lies. I am your hope. I am your light. I am your future. And I say to you right now, go forward, with courage in your bones, with fire in your spirit, with my power alive inside your soul. Nothing can stop what I have started in you. No fear, no doubt, no darkness. When I am with you, victory is not just possible, it is promised. I have a plan for you, a plan bigger than your thoughts, greater than your expectations, wider than your imagination. You only see a piece, but I see the whole picture. Every step you have taken, even the ones you regret, even the ones you hide, even the ones that broke you, I have seen them. Every mistake, every tear, every late-night worry, I was with you. Every victory you celebrated, every moment you felt proud, I celebrated with you. Nothing in your life is wasted, not a single moment, not a single lesson, not a single pain. I am using it all, shaping it all, turning it all into strength inside you. Your life has meaning, more than you understand right now. Your calling is alive, moving, breathing, waiting for you to rise. Even when you feel lost, I am guiding you. Even when you feel weak, I am strengthening you. Even when you feel unworthy, I am loving you. Do not be discouraged. Do not let fear speak louder than my promise. Do not let doubt define who you are. Do not let yesterday's pain decide tomorrow's purpose. Walk in faith, not by sight. Trust me, even when the path feels unclear, even when the journey feels heavy, even when nothing makes sense. I am already making a way. Take a deep breath. Feel my presence around you, steady, calm, constant. Feel my guidance surrounding your heart, your mind, your steps. You are not alone. You have never been alone. You will never be alone. I am shaping you, slowly, deeply, beautifully, into someone stronger than the hurt you survived, into someone wiser than the storms you walked through, into someone kinder than the darkness you defeated, into someone who reflects my light and my love. You are not here by accident. This moment is not random. Heaven aligned it for you. Your presence matters. Your story matters. Your purpose matters, even when you don't see it. Hold on to hope, even when hope feels small. Hold on to faith, even when faith feels heavy. Hold on to me, because I am holding you with a strength that cannot be broken. Listen closely. I declare this over your life. Step into your calling. Step into your purpose. Step into the future I have prepared for you. The doors that looked closed, I will open. The mountains that looked impossible, I will move. The battles that threatened to break you, I will turn into victories. This is your moment. This is your season. This is your time. Walk forward with courage in your heart, strength in your spirit, and confidence in who I created you to be. Because everything you have gone through has prepared you for what is coming next. I forgive you, completely, without touch, without condition. My child, listen to me. You don't have to punish yourself anymore. You don't have to replay your mistakes in your mind. You don't have to carry that heaviness on your heart. Because I your God, I your Creator, I your Father, I have already wiped it away. You are free. Free from the weight of guilt. Free from the chains of shame. Free from the voice that keeps reminding you of your past. Others may not understand you. Others may judge you. Others may talk about you. Others may stare at you. But I don't judge you. I see deeper. I see your heart. I see your intentions. I see your wounds. I see the moments when you tried. I see the nights you cried. I see the battles nobody knows about. I know your mistakes. I know your regrets. I know the things you wish. Life is hard, I know. It feels heavy sometimes. The weight, the pressure, the battles no one else sees. But listen to me, my child. Even when storms rise, even when trials rage, even when mountains stand tall in front of you, I am your anchor. I am the one who holds you steady when everything around you shakes. I will not let you drift into fear. I will not let you fall into darkness. I will not let your heart collapse under the burden you carry. You are stronger than you realize. You are braver than you believe. You are capable of more than your mind has ever dared to imagine. Every struggle you've faced, every hardship you've endured, every long night you've cried through, none of it is wasted. I am shaping you through it all, shaping your character, shaping your strength, shaping your faith, shaping your future. This is preparation. This is purpose. This is divine molding for my kingdom. Take a deep breath right now. Feel my strength entering your spirit. Feel my peace wrapping around your heart. Feel my presence calming the storm inside you. Stand firm, even when your legs feel weak. Hold fast, even when your hope feels small. Do not give up, because you are not fighting alone. You are not walking alone. You are not suffering alone. I am with you, in the pain, in the pressure, in the silence, and in the struggle. And right now, I speak strength into you. I speak courage into you. I speak hope into you. Rise up, my child. Rise up in faith. Rise up in confidence. Rise up in the belief that your story is not over. You are chosen. You are protected. You are held. You are loved. And you are never, ever alone. A new day is coming. A new season is on the horizon. The darkness you felt yesterday is fading away. The struggles, the pain, the weariness, they are not the end. Hope is not lost. It is growing within you. Joy is not gone. It is returning to your heart quietly, softly, like the morning sun breaking through the clouds. I am renewing your spirit. I am restoring your soul. I am making all things new. Take a deep breath. Hold it for a moment. Feel it filling every corner of your being. Now release it slowly. Feel the hope inside you. Feel it spreading. Feel the joy rising, bringing light, bringing strength, bringing peace. Walk forward with confidence. Walk forward with faith. Walk forward knowing, no matter what comes, I am with you. My love is eternal. My promises are true. My grace will never leave you. My plans for you are good, plans full of hope and future. I say to you now, your best days are ahead. Every trial you faced, every tear you shed, they were shaping you, preparing you, strengthening you for the glory that is coming. Take each step with courage. Take each step with faith. Trust that I am guiding you. You are not alone. I am beside you. I am before you. I am behind you. I am surrounding you with my love. Do not fear what is coming. Do not dread what is unknown, because I am with you. My love will never fail. My light will never fade. I am making a way where there seems no way. I am turning your mourning into dancing. I am bringing beauty from ashes. I am making all things new for you. So breathe deeply again. Feel my presence. Feel my peace. Feel my joy filling you from the inside out. The best is not behind you. The best is ahead. The new day is not just coming. It is here. The new season is not just near. It has begun. Walk into it with hope. Walk into it with joy. Walk into it knowing, I am with you. I love you. I cherish you. I have plans for you that are beyond your imagination. Trust me. Walk forward. Believe. Everything new is coming to you. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Regular, slowly. Listen to the stillness around you. Listen to the peace settling inside you. My child, you are not alone. You have never been alone. You are my beloved child. You are precious in my eyes, more valuable than gold, more treasured than the stars. I shaped you with my own hands. I breathed life into you. You are my creation, fearfully and wonderfully made. When you feel weak, I am your strength. When you feel lost, I am your direction. When you feel broken, I am your healer. Now go with courage, go with faith, because I am filling you again, strengthened, healed, renewed, full of purpose, full of destiny, full of the calling I placed on your life. Remember this truth, carry it in your heart. Wherever you go, I go with you. Whatever you face, I face with you. Whatever you fear, I stand before it. Whatever you hope for, I have already prepared for you. Before you cried, I heard you. Before you prayed, I answered you. Before you fell, I held you. My child, take my hand, take my heart, take my love, and carry it with you. I am with you. I am for you. I am in you, and I will never leave you. Amen.